Girl, I don't know what's going on with this phone, so. Oh, Lord. I gotta get me a camera. Mm. So I thought I was filming, for real. I was eating and everything. I thought I was filming. I don't know. I wasn't filming. That's how I hamburger went down. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. So y'all, I got some more cookies. So y'all, it's gonna be over on Vanessa Tries channel. Mm-hmm. If y'all wanna see me test different kinds of food, head over there to Vanessa Tries, and y'all will see me testing food and stuff. Look at this. Ooh, ooh. And this the Royal Cheesecake Blizzard. Why they got it in 2 cups? Oh, ooh, shoot. Look at that. They gonna waste. Ooh, look at that. Let's taste it. Ooh, ooh. The Royal Cheesecake Blizzard, y'all. From Dairy Queen. Y'all need to go try it out. Cause baby, she good. Mm. Mm. And I'm a little lit taste, a little tolerant. Yeah, bro. Child, my stomach about to be tore up, y'all. Mm-hmm. Ooh, ooh. That's good as a fuck. Mm. Mm. I hope my other footage sitting over to my other phone, so send it to my email. Mm. Mm. Y'all, this good as the fuck, y'all. Damn. Y'all need to go try it out. Mm. Mm. Ooh, child. Mm. Ooh. Oh. Baby! This is good as the fuck, y'all. Mm. I can't even talk right now. Oh, it got real strawberries in it, look. Ooh. They got real pieces of cheesecake in it. Let's see if I can find one for y'all. Mm. Cheesecake. Oh, that was so nasty. Let me stop. See, y'all, it got little pieces of cheesecake in it. Oh, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Follow my social media down below, follow my Discord codes down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. I gotta eat some of this later, cause I gotta do some more videos. I gotta do a whole podcast, and I gotta do Vanessa Tries video. Ooh. So I will eat on that later. So y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in this video, girl. Alright guys, bye, my mukbang queens.